In this guide, we'll explore the exciting world of content writing and show you practical steps to start generating income from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive right in. Content writing is a valuable skill in today's digital age. Companies, bloggers, and websites are constantly seeking well-crafted, engaging content to attract and retain their audience. Whether it's articles, blog posts, social media content, or marketing materials, skilled writers are in high demand. The first step to success in content writing is to identify your niche. Determine the subjects you're passionate about or have expertise in. This could be anything from travel and technology to health and lifestyle. Finding your niche allows you to focus on topics you enjoy, making writing more enjoyable and authentic. To establish credibility and attract clients, you'll need a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you're just starting, consider writing a few sample pieces on various topics. You can create a personal blog or contribute to guest posts on popular platforms. Having a diverse portfolio will demonstrate your versatility and expertise to potential clients. Numerous online platforms connect freelance writers with clients. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a wide range of content writing opportunities. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and experience. Bid on relevant projects and gradually build a reputation through positive reviews. Networking is essential to expand your client base. Join writing communities, social media groups, and forums related to content writing. Engage with other writers and potential clients. Don't forget the power of social media. Showcase your expertise, share your articles, and promote your services. Managing your time efficiently is crucial for success as a content writer. Set realistic deadlines and stick to them. Prioritize projects based on the deadlines and complexity. Remember, building a reliable reputation for meeting deadlines will lead to more opportunities and steady income. Diversifying your income sources is a smart strategy for long-term success as a content writer. While freelance platforms provide a steady stream of projects, expanding your horizons opens up exciting opportunities. Approach local businesses and offer your writing services for their marketing materials, blogs, or website content. Collaborating with digital marketing agencies can lead to consistent projects and partnerships. Content creation companies are always on the lookout for talented writers, so don't hesitate to reach out. Moreover, exploring affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services through your content. Creating and selling ebooks on topics you're passionate about can generate passive income. Launching your blog not only showcases your expertise but also opens doors to ad revenue and sponsored content deals. By diversifying your income streams, you safeguard your financial stability and uncover various avenues to thrive as a content writer. Embrace these opportunities and watch your online writing career flourish. In the dynamic realm of content writing, staying current with industry trends, SEO practices, and innovative writing techniques is vital. Embracing continuous learning empowers you to adapt to the ever-changing demands of the digital landscape. Regularly attending online courses, engaging in insightful webinars, and participating in enriching workshops will hone your craft and elevate your proficiency to new heights. By remaining receptive to new knowledge and emerging technologies, you can anticipate the needs of clients and deliver content that surpasses expectations. Embracing a growth mindset fosters a competitive edge, amplifying your appeal to potential clients seeking skilled and forward-thinking content creators. Never underestimate the power of lifelong learning in your content writing journey. In conclusion, content writing offers a rewarding way to earn money online. Find your niche, build a portfolio, and join freelance platforms to kickstart your career. Network, market yourself, and manage your time effectively. Remember, success in content writing comes with dedication, hard work, and continuous improvement. So, start writing, and best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful online content writer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy writing.